wishes to all. Welcome to Rich Dad Investor YouTube channel. Wikipedia describes this company as well known for undertaking challenging infrastructure projects, especially in difficult terrains in India and abroad. It has completed over 1,650 major infrastructure projects in India and over 900 major projects across the globe in more than 31 countries. This company is a Government of India undertaking under Ministry of Railways. The core competence of company are railways, highways and EHT substation construction. Along with Indian Railways, Malaysia Railway, Delhi Metro Rail, Kochi Metro Rail and NHAI are some of key customers of this company. Order book profile: high margin and guaranteed nominated order book, both domestic and international orders. Large order book, 7 times of sales. Company's order book to sales ratio is at 7 times with 95% of its order book in the railway sector, and low margin international orders comprise of 4% of OB. Nomination orders is at 80% of the company's order book, and thus margin will be stable here. Q2 FY21 order book is at a sound 313 billion. You might have already guessed the name of this company. The company name is Econ International Limited. Share price metrics. This railway gem has a market cap of 4,844 crore. The railway related companies' share prices have been outperforming, but this mid-cap railway stock price has not gone up too much. Its shares are currently quoting 47 rupees as on 28th October 2021. Face value of share 2 rupees. The company's EPS is 4 rupees 78 pice. The current market price of stock discounts the EPS by a modest 10.78 times. The company shares quote at a lower PE multiple of 10.78 times compared to the industry average PE multiple of 14 to 16 times. The yearly high and low price range of share is 37 rupees and 54 rupees. Current stock price of 47 rupees quotes at 1.06 times of book value and 1.02 times of sales. The company is a zero debt company. It has cash and cash equivalents 3,250 crores on its books. Operating parameters. The financial parameters of Econ are sound. This company has a sound operating profit margin of about 11.9% in FY21. Return of equity is good at 9.44%. Return on capital employed is very high at 19.39%. Dividend yield is good at 2.91%. Book value per share is good at 48 rupees 75 pice. Risk analysis. International orders. Operating margin is lower. Prolonged time taken to secure international orders. Intermittent lockdowns and restrictions will adversely impact the execution of works by occur. Lower railway budgets, change in government policies are some of the key risks. Financials. Econ. Profit and loss account. Peer comparison. Peer comparison with other companies. Investment rationale. Econ's construction activities have reached pre-COVID levels. The company is doing well with a healthy order book. Huge investments are taking place in railways, highways and other infrastructure projects. In terms of payments, company has not faced any delay in receiving payments from Ministry of Railways. Share price is quoting at just one time of book value. Expect for the pandemic year of 2021, company's revenue is growing and expected to grow at a CAGR of 16%. Company's net profit is expected to grow 27% and 18% in FY22 and 23. After the asset monetization announcement by the government, there will be an additional trigger aiding the share price rally of the stock. Econ is diversifying its order book profile beyond the works of Indian Railways. As per present shareholding pattern, promoter holds 73.18% and retail investors hold 23.71%. There is very less holding of institutions, FII and mutual funds. Share price can double in 1 year once institutional investors increase their shareholding. Invest in Econ International Limited for long-term appreciation and for short-term gains. Our target price 100 rupees share price can double in 1 year.